Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming Part 5, I believe. If you do like the channel, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. This is the February 2023 Patreon STL to see if you guys want to get some D&D minis, tabletop wargaming, or anime figures as well. That's what's happening this month. We're now on Lost Kingdom Miniatures. I believe we are doing Dinosaur Riders and something like this. Let's take a look. I think they're freaking elves or something. They're more for the Oriental one, Ryu. So we have an elf that is Orientalized, wearing a looks like an Oriental looking T Rex. Let's make the dinosaur more Asian. That's basically what it looks like. You have like the traditional samurai armor that the elves wear. That's pretty cool to wrap. Asian looking raptors and stuff. That is a very unique type of imagination uh, to use for that. So yeah, go for it, man. Have a samurai-looking elf and stuff in your D&D games and stuff like that. It's like I'm from this far other country, from the far east, stuff like that. That looks pretty damn cool. This is something I want to look at too. Blood Fountain Naga. I'm guessing the Naga lady is bathing it in blood. And you have Yoni pulling it as well. That's pretty interesting for that as well. Now we got dungeon pinups. New goals. Looks like it. Girl laying down. Anime girl and her. I think they won 257, 87, 287 for that. But this is the February one that we have. And I'm also not safe for work. That's from Riza from Elden Ring, Nude. Uh, But yeah, and you got My Hero Academia for that as well. That's like $13. Sometimes it's like hit or miss that you want it. Flesh of Gods. If you like dark and horror stuff, this is it for you. This is the February release. The Hadium Mines. This will probably look good for Necronomicon, to tell you the truth, for it. So if you want Necronomicon style miniatures for your Warhammer, this is it. This will be probably the best one for it. You got some creatures that you can not actually get anymore in a lot of the old WizKit stuff. So some stuff you can get. You have like a grenade prop, Artificer's Bomb. That would be pretty cool to print and handed to one of your Artificers player as well. Your bust, your throwbacks, and your All-Star pack welcomes. So so we have some dwarves, humans, giant monster, giant master, the dwarf on top, human explorer, mutant barbarian, dwarf miner, no dwarf miner, human artificers. We don't really have much artificers for it. And you have your monster. That guy looks like from Mad Max. Uh, the Toxic Reaper. So these are pretty cool to have, especially in your like evil dark setting of the minds and stuff like that. Puppet War Master. This is something if you want to change stuff for your what you call it for your Warhammer. You have your Tyranids, your Space Marines, and your Goblin, baby Orc. Looks pretty cool looking as well. Something that you can look forward to playing. Like I said, I'm getting back into Warhammer, and I got a lot of stuff to paint. And these are like $10, and they're really cheap, and they're pretty cool to print. You got those, you have your mecha goblins with these, the looking Asian hats for it. Some of these stuff I'm probably gonna have to print for my Blood Angels as well. You change the heads. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. You can change a lot of the heads for it. That's a cool thing about it. Your Tyranids, ugly looking things. But yeah, it's cool. I really looks like there's gonna be like a turret that is gonna be releasing with it as well. Bite the Bullet. They're doing goblins this time for Bite the Bullet 2. Turtle was last month. So we can go look at the video for it. So we have your mech, your jesters, whole bunch of goblins. These are like more cartoonish ones. They look more like Pathfinder goblins, to tell you the truth, for it. Also, our Star Legacy pack. But, you do you with goblins. I'm still probably going to get this. So you have your monk. I never had an actual, I know there's a race you can play as goblins, but I never actually had people playing as your exotic ones. But yeah, that is it. Beastarium. For this, it's more like Elden Ring and Dark Souls type games. If they wants to load for me, load, motherfucker, load. Uh, there we go. Finally with a load. So it looks more like this one's the Elden Ring looking style one. February release. Looks pretty damn cool. But yeah, if you want like Elden Ring or Dark Souls type game, Beastarium is probably the best one. Miniatures for it. I do have the board game for it, so I can actually print it and play the game. You have a lot of terrain pieces with it as well. That looks pretty damn cool. And let's find the players. Right now, we're setting up trying to build a game table at the house now. That would cost about like $60 worth of material just to build it. But yeah, me and my friend's gonna build it, so that's like one of the coolest thing you can do. And there's like very easy prints, paints, stupid bones and stuff. But yeah, it's something that you guys might be interested if you guys are a huge fan of Dark Souls or Elden Ring, stuff like that. The freaking huge section of the planet and stuff, of the land where you're going towards to fight them. You have your little bone spikes. Those will be pretty cool to play with. Okay, Mammoth, another good one as well. If it loads, load, motherfucker, load. This is a January, February right here. So we have a turtle dragon, Lionoids, Lionoids. Turtle dragons are cool. Never really used them. Chimera Rakasashi Visor looks awesome. You got your Lionoids, your Thiefling Dancer. I have no idea what the hell this thing is. Katago Montoya. Oh, that little thing for Princess Bride. You killed my father. I forgot how it goes. Kessler Shadow Weaver. A lot of different cat folks too. Your Tabaxis. I think that looks like. Oh, that looks like a freaking chimera going through a portal, but it's not a chimera. It's only have a lion head. Oh, it's a mat. Oh, fuck, that's the tip of my tongue. Manticore. It's a freaking manticore. There you go. Lion Hunters. It's pretty damn good. You got your Bush Willow, your Crumble Buster, your Hut, Raka Cha Cha, and your Bust for it. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Uh, Another Beastarian. No, I already got Beastarian. Membership. Which one is this? Your pledge. Oh, there's one-page minis. February. February release of the big guy with the damn big ass guns. This is good for Age of Sigmar as well. And your rat folks for Age of Sigmar. I don't know if there's any of the modern ones in 40k. I don't know for sure. I don't know much lore of it as well. And your humans Imperial for I think the Sisters of Battle. Their version of it as well. Yeah, this is the Sisters of Battle. And there you go. That's all you need. It comes with their big ass tanks too. And your terrain pieces and your jackals and your things. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Gemek, I think this will be the last one for this video. Another good one to have. I think this is fantasy for Age of Sigmar style. So you have your orcs and goblins and your elves for that. And you have your fantasy ones too that I'm going to be printing for. You have blood angels. Is your medic and your dreadnought. And your scouts. Can never have less of these. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool to have. But yeah, that's the top of everything here. Well, anyhow, guys, I hope you do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon, Discord, and our Etsy store down below. Let me know what you guys down like as well in the comment section. But anyhow, guys, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys. Bye.